The Eureka J15 series is the next evolution of robot vacuum and mop systems, combining powerful suction, advanced mopping, and smart automation. Every model delivers strong suction, carpet detection, and full edge-to-edge cleaning, while adding unique features for today's busy households. Leading the way is the flagship J15 Evo Ultra, which brings these innovations together in one powerhouse system. Huge thanks to Eureka for sponsoring today's video. Check out the link in the description. One of its biggest breakthroughs is its Scrub Extend edge cleaning. While most robots leave a thin line of dust along baseboards, the Evo Ultra extends its mop outward for true zero-gap cleaning. A true Rhineland certified performance. It applies steady downward pressure as it scrubs, so edges actually get cleaned, not ignored. Hair tangling is another common frustration. Standard brushes clog with knots, but the Evo Ultra's Dragon Claw side brush uses a V-shape and centrifugal force to detangle automatically as it spins. That means no clogs, smoother cleaning, and better results for pet and long hair households. Eureka also rethought the robot's body. Many robots struggle with corners, but the Evo Ultra's unique 135-degree arc shape, refined through 200 plus adjustments, achieved 100% sweeping coverage with 0mm precision in SGS testing. Simply put, it doesn't miss a crumb. On carpets, the Evo Ultra uses FlexiRise mop lifting to raise its mop pads up to 12mm, protecting fibers while others drag wet mops across rugs. A carpet priority mode even vacuums thick plies first, paired with the tic-tac-toe algorithm for deeper coverage. Power is another highlight. The Evo Ultra delivers 22,000 pascal suction, on par with canister vacuums. According to Eureka, in side-by-side testing, where competitors leave debris behind, it achieves a 99% debris removal rate, pulling dirt from floors and crevices. Mopping is just as advanced. Dual rotating pads spin at 200 RPM, then get washed with hot water and dried at 55 degrees Celsius. Competing robots often leave damp pads that smell, but the Evo Ultra keeps mops, pipes, and filters dry and odor-free. The all-in-one base station handles upkeep automatically, self-emptying into a 3-liter dust bag that lasts up to 75 days, while cleaning mops quietly thanks to its whisperwork noise reduction. Unlike louder stations, this one works smoothly in homes with kids or pets. Daily use is simple too. The removable tray makes cleaning easy, and the Eureka app lets you adjust carpet settings, cleaning modes, and schedules, so the Evo Ultra adapts seamlessly to your home. So if you've been waiting for a robot vacuum that can actually handle the tough stuff, edges, carpets, pet hair, and mop care, the Eureka J15 Evo Ultra is built to do it all. Compared to the gaps, tangles, and half-finished jobs of other robots, it brings real full home cleaning you can count on every day. If you want to learn more or grab one for yourself, hit the link in the description and let me know in the comments what feature you'd put to the test first.